and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Shelley, and mainly on this channel you will see some DIY videos, but mainly lifestyle videos to do with finances, managing your money, working for yourself, and all kinds of things related to those sorts of topics. Today I'm going to show you a recent haul, a stationery haul that I did. When you work for yourself, you don't have the luxury of going into the office stationery cupboard and getting supplies, so I like to make sure every few months I do a little mini stationery haul so I'm up to date with all the things I need and I'm not scrambling around looking for a pen or sellotape, etc. So I'm going to show you some of the recent stuff I bought, and most of these things are general things that you should have if you work for yourself, and you've got your desk and everything in place. These are all the sort of basic things that you should have anyway. So most of the things I bought from this haul are from Wilkinson's or B&M. You can go to Poundland, or you can go to more higher class stationers, like, I don't know, over here we have, if you're in the UK, we have Staples and various places like that. But for basic stationery, you don't really need to have expensive items. You can get away with quite inexpensive things. So the first thing that I got from all of these things are going to be from B&M. So I just got two notebooks. I love my notebooks. I need I always like to have loads spare, and if I'm starting a new project, or if I'm going to a meeting and I just want a new notebook, I grab just one of these. They're A4 ones and they're lined. Very basic. These were £2.29. Actually, I thought they were a little bit expensive for what they are. They are nice, but I know I probably could get them for £1 in Poundland. So I got two of those. I got these, which are plastic files with the popper. These are really useful for if you've got documents that need to be sent to clients. They're really good for those. I also use these are useful if you're maybe doing your accounts, and if you have 12 of them, then you can have your invoices and receipts in one for each month. They're really handy, and they were £1.49, but you only get 8 in there, so if you wanted to do that, you'd obviously have to get 2 packs. But I've got those, and they're quite useful. Also got a little to-do list notepad. I thought it looked quite pretty. I always have these. These are just usually kept in the kitchen, so if you run low on things, just write it on there, and then whoever goes to the shop first gets it. Highlighters, everyone needs highlighters. If you're maybe studying, they're really useful for highlighting useful bits that you need to remember. Pack of 4, and those were, I think they were £1.50 for those. Then these, there were, you can get obviously your plain Bics or Papermate type pens, but I thought I wanted something a little bit fancier, so I got these. They're nice to hold as well. They've got the rubber bits at the bottom, and I think, let me just check, I think they were £1.99. And then I have got another ruler, but I like to have a few because I always misplace them. These are just those bendy ones, and that was 59p. Really useful to have and stuff. And also I find if I'm maybe doing like data entry or reading off a spreadsheet, then I can just, on a piece of paper, then I can just put it on there and just, they're really useful. They're not just for drawing lines, you can use them in other ways as well, but they're really useful. So then the last thing I got from B&M was this set. I've seen it for ages, and I actually just haven't really got any particular use for it. I just like the look of it, and it was on offer. It was £2.49. It was originally £5. I will use it, but I just thought it was quite nice. It's got everything you need, so it's got your little drawing pins and your paper clips, and then your bulldog clips. So that was that, and I thought that was really nice. So then we move on to the things from Wilko's, or Wilkinson's, what it used to be called. I got this meal planner. I really like this. This was £2.50. It's something that I am doing, and but I want to try and do it a bit more efficiently. So I thought if I can write all my meals out and my snacks, and then you can work out what you need for shopping. I thought that was quite a useful thing to have in the kitchen. And packaging tape. I send a lot of stuff into Amazon and parcels to eBay, and I'm always running out of this, so I like to make sure I've got a couple of those to just keep in the drawer. This is a really cute little notebook. I'm just going to keep this in my handbag. It was £1, and it's just a basic little notebook. I just like the design. I thought it was really cute. It's got a little elastic bit to close it, so that's that. And then I stocked up on my Post-its. I have already got some just like plain or marbly like type ones, but I sometimes feel it's better to have the really bright luminous ones so they jog your memory, or you can find something very easy. So I got these ones, which are the little thin long ones, and then I've just got your small square ones and your bigger square ones. And these were all reasonably priced. I can't remember the prices, but they were definitely, all of them were under £1. And I just thought, you know, it's such a bargain, and they're things that, you know, you should always have in your station, in your desk. The last couple of things I got this whiteboard. A lot of people, if they've got the space or a separate office, they have a whiteboard on the wall, or a few of them, or a lot of bigger ones. But as my desk area and office area is in my sort of dining and lounge area, I didn't really want to have a big whiteboard hanging up, so I got this one, and I can actually hang it up and then during the day and then take it down. And I just find they're really useful because you can use them for writing all kinds of things on, and what I like best, you can actually stick your sticky notes on them as well, so it's just a really useful thing to have. And then if you've got like goals and deadlines and stuff, then you can put them on there, and sometimes it's better having something visually in front of you so you can see it. Sometimes I might just put it on probably just put it on my table sometimes, so it's just there so I can see it, and then I'll put it away in the evening. So that was really useful, and this was £5, and I thought that was a really good deal for that. And it's on the back, it's got this, so you can hang it up on the wall, and on the top it's got your pen with your rubbery bit to rub it out, so it's a dry marker type pen. And I bought some extra colours, so I've got different colours because it only comes with a black one, so I've got these ones, and I think they were £1 as well, so I've got the different colours. So obviously I want to use different colours, that's great. And then it also comes with the 2 magnets as well, but obviously you can put your own magnets on, so I really like that. So these are all the things I bought in my haul. I hope you've liked this quick video, a few ideas of stationery bits that you need to have if you are working for yourself or just in your desk. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.